Woo. Nice climb out on the first lap, way above the pole. You gotta love it. Looks like it's climbing very, very nicely, this flight. Better than the other ones. Gotta love it, huh? It's almost like I know what I'm doing. Oh, I don't even need to go anywhere. It's straight up. Maybe it'll dethermalize and land in the truck. It's getting up there. How long's that time?
I can see.
Okay. She's doing good. She got some air.
1 minute now.
That's it? Where's it at now? Huh?
I don't know, babe. Let me.
Okay. The only reason I asked is I wanted to know when the power was done. It's a beautiful flight. Doesn't look like I'm going to need the tracker.
2 minutes.